अगर आप भी डिजिटल मार्केटिंग में नए हैं तो here are 3 free resources you must check out right now. Don't forget to save this video for later. Number 1, HubSpot Marketing. This is a YouTube channel where you'll find 400 plus digital marketing tutorials, which is more than enough to get you started in your digital marketing journey. Number 2, WS Cube Tech. On this YouTube channel, you will find dozens of playlists about everything SEO, Facebook ads, Google ads, and everything digital marketing. The fastest way to learn digital marketing is through short courses, and here's 3 of the best ones. Number 1, Fundamentals of Digital Marketing by Google Digital Garage. This is a collection of free digital marketing courses by Google which you can complete, and you'll even get an official completion certificate by Google. Number 2, Digital Marketing Training by Neil Patel, which you can find on neilpatel.com. Last but not least, you can check out the digital marketing playlist on e-commerce's free video bootcamp, which is also called VBC. जिसके लिए आपको पहले apply करना पड़ेगा, but that's also free of cost, so go ahead and do that today. Save this video because I don't want you to forget these 3 free resources.